In 2025, a quiet but powerful change is happening, not in the West or China, but in the East. India, the world's largest democracy, is no longer just growing, it's becoming a major global force. And the West is not just watching this happen, they're concerned. India isn't rising in silence, it's changing how the world works. With advanced technology, strong military power, independence in currency, and a neutral global stance, India is challenging the old ways the West used to lead. Why is the West secretly worried about India in 2025? Keep watching. What you learn may surprise you. While Western media focuses mostly on the US-China rivalry, India has quietly made a huge breakthrough that caught everyone by surprise. India is now the fifth largest economy in the world, with a GDP over $3 trillion, quickly moving toward third place. But it's not just about money. How India is growing is what worries the old powers. Indian-made platforms like UPI now handle more transactions than Visa and MasterCard, with over 2 billion every month. AI startups in India are solving local problems that big Silicon Valley companies often ignore. Companies like Haptic and Nikki.ai are changing customer service and online shopping. India's quantum computing labs compete with the West, and the government has put over $1 billion into this research. India isn't following old rules, it's creating new ones. Leaders like Prime Minister Narendra Modi have pushed digital projects, while people like Nandanda Nilekani built strong digital systems. Even global tech leaders like Sundar Pichai are paying attention. India's space agency, ISRO, has also reached big milestones, showing the country's growing tech skills. The Chandrayaan-2 mission, although partly unsuccessful, proved India's advanced space abilities. Young people, supported by education, are leading the way as India trains over 1.5 million engineers every year to fuel this tech growth. In 2025, India doesn't just use technology, it controls it. While Western financial systems once ruled global transactions, India created its own system. The Unified Payments Interface now handles over 10 billion transactions every month, far more than Western payment systems. The open network for digital commerce is changing e-commerce by cutting out middlemen, no Amazon, no intermediaries. India's digital rupee challenges the US dollar's power, giving countries under US sanctions a way to trade freely. This is a big loss of control for the West. India's digital power goes beyond payments. Programs like Digital India and Make in India encourage innovation and self-reliance. The country is investing a lot in education and skills to prepare its workforce for the future. From space tech to artificial intelligence, India aims to be a global tech leader. The government is focusing on data privacy and cybersecurity to protect its digital independence. India also works with global tech companies and startups to speed up progress. With a goal to grow inclusively, India is bringing technology to every part of the country. The rollout of 5G is improving internet speed and creating new opportunities. Laws like the Personal Data Protection Bill and the National Cybersecurity Policy are raising the bar for data safety. Investments in AI and machine learning are helping healthcare, farming, and smart cities. Blockchain technology is used for secure payments, managing supply chains, and even voting systems. In 2025, India is no one's puppet. When the West asked countries to pick sides during the Russia-Ukraine war, India stayed neutral and became stronger. It bought cheap oil from Russia, ignoring pressure from the West. India kept good relationships with Iran, Israel, China, and the US, carefully balancing its ties with each. As the BRICS group grows, India is helping create a new global economy separate from the West. The West isn't used to a country that plays all sides and still wins. India's military focuses on being independent and powerful in its region. It builds partnerships with countries in ASEAN, Africa and South America to grow its influence. India's progress in space technology also boosts its global reputation. Recently, India has strengthened defence ties with Japan and Australia, worked with France on defence, Germany on trade, and the UK on technology. These show India's many strong alliances. By hosting the G20 summit and leading in world economic meetings, India shows it is a major global player. The US dollar has been the West's strongest tool for a long time, but in 2025, things are changing. India has made over 25 trade deals using its own currency, the rupee, allowing countries to trade without using the dollar. These deals include countries like Russia, the UAE, Sri Lanka, and parts of Africa. The digital rupee makes these trades faster, clearer, and more independent. As the BRICS group talks about creating a shared currency, India is leading the conversation, not following it. Each trade deal using the rupee weakens the West's financial control. Some countries welcome this change, while others worry it might shake up the global financial system. Economically, India is growing stronger and gaining more influence, becoming a major player in world trade. India isn't just making new technology, it's using it to strengthen its military. With the INS Vikrant, India's own aircraft carrier, the Indian Navy controls the Indian Ocean. This advanced ship shows how skilled India is at building warships. Through the Atmanirbhar self-reliance mission, India has become a weapons exporter to countries that the West used to supply. India's military now has its own missiles, drones and advanced weapons, plus world-class cyber warfare tools. Strong cybersecurity makes its defence systems tough and reliable. India no longer depends on the West for defence needs. Its efforts have made it self-sufficient and powerful, even becoming a top supplier for other countries. From AI surveillance and autonomous vehicles to quantum computing and hypersonic missiles, India's defence technology is very advanced. Adding space-based defence systems and exoskeleton suits shows India's innovative and modern military strategy. The West is getting older, but India is getting younger and sharper. By 2025, 65% of Indians are under 35, about 900 million young, connected and ambitious people. Many young Indians lead big companies like Google, Microsoft and Adobe in Silicon Valley, but many are also returning home to create and innovate in India. Even rural areas are becoming start-up centres, turning villages into places of new ideas. This is more than just a population advantage. It's a youth-driven revolution the West can't match. Young leaders are changing politics, driving social reforms, and shaping a new India. By 2025, over 150 million new young voters will have a big impact on politics. Their influence also drives the economy, consumer trends, and new ideas. Education is changing, with fresh teaching styles from young educators. Social media helps youth voices grow stronger, making their movements more powerful. In science and technology, young Indians are pushing limits, while in culture, they are reshaping art, music and literature, creating a vibrant new cultural rise for India. India's influence goes beyond just the economy and military, it's cultural too. Yoga, once seen as something exotic, is now popular all over the West, helping people with both body and mind. Bollywood movies are breaking records worldwide, drawing fans with their colourful stories and music. Indian food, with its bold spices and flavours, is winning hearts everywhere and shaping food trends around the globe. In 2025, India isn't just rising, it's leading. It stands as a powerful bridge between East and West, the voice of the global South. A tech innovator, a strong military force, a cultural trendsetter, and a smart global negotiator. While the West scrambles to keep up, India's leadership in global groups like the UN and G20 is clear. It's helping shape global rules and boost economic growth through BRICS, ASEAN, and the WTO, not to follow the old world, but to lead in a new one. India is now at the heart of global trade and decision-making. Its rise has been steady, not loud, but it cannot be stopped. And in 2025, the world isn't asking if India will lead. They're asking how soon. Maybe that's what's really making the West uneasy. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments below.